As the monsoon approaches, the season of cold, flu and cough also begins among the kids. Kids get irritated and they don't let their parents to apply nasal sprays or balms on them. I trust Baby Chakra's natural vapor patch, which is co-created with moms and pediatricians. It contains natural ingredients like eucalyptus oil and peppermint oil, which is completely safe and gives up to 8 hours of relief from nasal congestion. It is also very easy to use. Just detach the paper from the bag and paste it on your kids' chest area over their clothing. It instantly eases nasal congestion and helps in normal breathing. Baby Chakra's natural vapor patch is free from chemicals like camphor and petroleum jelly. It is also free from phenoxyethanol and other harmful chemicals. That is why it is safe on kids. I would like to insist all the moms to check the labels before they use any products on their kids. #LabelProMoms.